Gravity feels constant, predictable, unchanging. But the truth is, Earth's gravity isn't the same everywhere. In some places, it's noticeably weaker. In others, it's unexpectedly strong. Today, we're exploring 7 locations where gravity behaves in ways that defy intuition and reveal the hidden forces shaping our planet. Let's begin. 1. Hudson Bay, Canada. This is one of the most famous gravity anomalies on Earth. Large parts of the Hudson Bay region have significantly lower gravity than the global average. The reason goes back thousands of years. Massive ice sheets once covered this land, pressing it deep into the Earth's crust. When the ice melted, the land began rising again, a slow process called post-glacial rebound. As the ground lifts, the mass beneath it spreads out, reducing the gravitational pull. Even today, satellites can detect the region's unusual lightness. 2. The Indian Ocean gravity hole. Far beneath the waves lies one of the strangest features on the planet, a massive region where gravity is dramatically weaker than anywhere else on Earth. Scientists call it the Indian Ocean geoid low, a place where the sea surface itself is depressed by more than 100 meters. The cause? Deep mantle currents, moving dense material far below the crust. These hidden flows reshape Earth's gravitational field in ways we're only beginning to understand. 3. The Himalayas. You might expect the world's tallest mountains to have stronger gravity, more rock, more mass, more pull. But the opposite is true. The Himalayas sit on top of thick, low-density crust. The mountains rise high, but the material beneath them is surprisingly light. This reduces the gravitational force, creating a subtle but measurable anomaly. Even Everest pulls you downward slightly less than you'd expect. 4. The Great Lakes region, USA. Around the Great Lakes, gravity dips again. Not as dramatically as Hudson Bay, but enough for satellites to notice. The reason is similar. Ancient glaciers carved out enormous basins, removing huge amounts of rock. Less rock means less mass and less gravitational pull. It's a reminder that Earth's past still shapes the forces we feel today. 5. Iceland. Iceland sits on a volcanic hotspot, where magma rises close to the surface. This molten rock is less dense than solid crust, creating a region of lower gravity. The island is literally being pushed upward as new crust forms beneath it. This constant geological activity creates a gravitational signature unlike anywhere else. 6. The Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is the lowest exposed point on Earth, but its gravity anomaly isn't just about elevation. The region sits on a rift zone, where the crust is stretched thin. Thinner crust means less mass and less gravitational pull. It's one of the few places where you can feel lighter, both because of altitude and because of geology. 7. Antarctica. At the bottom of the world, gravity behaves strangely once again. Antarctica's ice sheets are massive, but beneath them lie deep basins carved by ancient glaciers. Some areas have unusually low gravity because the ice displaced enormous amounts of rock. Other areas have higher gravity due to dense mantle material rising upward. It's a continent of extremes, even in the invisible forces that shape it. Closing. Gravity feels simple, but beneath the surface, it's a complex dance of mass, density, and deep planetary motion. Every mountain, every ocean, every shifting plate leaves its mark on the force that holds us down. And the more we study it, the more we realize Earth is far stranger and far more dynamic than it appears. Inforyo. Facts that shift your perspective.